Hello everyone, welcome to ForceBolt's YouTube channel. Recently, you must have noticed that the bars of blockchain technology's popularity have been raised and people are embracing cryptocurrency like never before. Today, we'll talk about blockchain and the upcoming Fest 2023, the biggest event of the year for blockchain enthusiasts. So let's quickly dive into the video and explore the nitty-gritty aspects of the Singapore Blockchain Fest 2023. Blockchain Fest 23, which will take place in February, is expected to bring an unparalleled opportunity to connect with the top players in the blockchain space. If you want to learn about the latest in blockchain technology, network with industry leaders, and discover new business opportunities, then this big event is just for you. Now let me tell you a bit more about who can attend the Singapore Blockchain Fest 2023. First, investors. We all know that the growth of blockchain industry and blockchain is linked with investors. So if you are a savvy investor, this fest is perfect platform for exploring new investment opportunities. Second, entrepreneurs. Hey entrepreneurs, explore your chances to connect with other entrepreneurs, investors and developers and be the reason behind the growth of blockchain industry. Number third is the corporates. You are the essential players in the blockchain industry and this is the perfect chance for you to explore the latest trends and developments in the industry. Fourth on the list is IT professionals. You can connect with other experts in the field and learn about new technologies, trends and best practices. Last but not the least, the student and the academics. Students, this event will provide a unique learning experience and an opportunity to interact with industry experts and professionals for you. Let's move forward with why you should attend the Blockchain Fest 2023. If you are a blockchain enthusiast, here you may get the opportunity to meet the most experienced business tycoons and best presenters that can support your business development in multiplying. However, there will be conversations on the latest innovations in decentralized finance, the impact of blockchain on gaming, and the role of blockchain in creating a more sustainable future. Ultimately, this event will serve as a way for you to establish partnerships and expand your personal network, therefore creating a more sustainable future. So, explore this year big event to revolutionize your chances to grow your business and networks. Apart from it, we are all super excited to announce that we are also coming to attend this most prominent event of the year. Team ForceBolt is looking forward to building a great connections and opening new opportunities with you. Let's connect and unlock new opportunities together. Well, this was all for today's video. And we hope this video was informative for you. Tune in next time for more exciting updates. Until then, press the bell icon to subscribe to the latest updates and do not forget to like, share and comment.